Find the term independent of x in the expansion of. Given is 2x plus 1 by 2x cube power 8. Now, for any binomial theorem sum, we should write the general term, and the general term is NCR x power r y power n minus r. Clear? For any binomial theorem, first we should write the general term. And what is n here? The power will be n. And what is x? Inside the bracket, the x term should be considered for x. Here both of them has got x in it, so either one of them you can take it to be x. So if I take this to be x, the other left out should be taken for y. Okay. Now replace in the general term. So that will be 8CR. In place of x it is 2x. In place of y it is 1 by 2x cube. Power n is 8. 8 minus r. Okay. Now simplify this to the maximum possible extent. And how do we simplify? See. 8CR as it is. Apply this power to each. So it will become 2 power r x power r. Same here, apply this power to each. So 1 power 8 minus r by 2 power 8 minus r x power 3 power 8 minus r. Okay, so far. Next, I write x terms at last. Clear? X at last I write. What do I mean by that? See. 8CR as it is, 2 power r also as it is, and in the denominator it is 2 power 8 minus r. Now, here it is 1. 1 power anything will result in 1. So whether I write 1 or I do not write, it's not going to make any change. So I am not writing 1. So left in the numerator is x power r by. Now, how can I simplify this? The formula is a power m power n. One base has got multiple powers, so multiply the powers. Resultant will be a power m into n. Same here. X power 3 power 8 minus r. Multiply the powers. So that will be 3 into 8, 24 minus 3 into r, 3r. So this changes to x power 24 minus 3r. Now, how do we simplify further more is, look at this. When bases are same and division between them, it will change to a power m minus n. Clear? Bases are same, division it will become a, subtract the powers. So here if I subtract, what do I get? R minus 24 minus 3r. Now multiply with negative sign. So minus 24 plus 3r. R plus 3r will be 4r. Clear? Now, this will change to 8CR 2 power r by 2 power 8 minus r x power 4r minus 24. Okay. Now, this cannot be simplified further, so I stop here now. What do I need to find? Term independent of x. How can we say any term is independent of x? Only one way. What is x power 0? It will result in 1. The result does not have any x in it. So I can say this is independent of x. So for you to say term independent of x, there should be power 0 on x. Clear? Term independent of x means power on x should be 0. So now, here the power on x is 0 and over here x power is this one. Equate both the powers of x to get the value of r. Equate powers of x to get the value of r. So 0 equal to 4r minus 24. Now add 24 on both sides. So this cancel out. 24 equal to 4r. Divide by 4 now. So r equal to 6, replace in this. So that will become 8c6 into 2 power 6 by 2 power 8 minus 6 is 2 into x power 0. X power 0 is 1, so we don't write that. Put this entire thing at once in calculator. You should get the answer to be 448. So 448 is the term independent of x in the given expansion. Okay.